Export Zone. So, atong i-acknowledge ang presence ni DSWD Undersecretary for Sustainable Peace, si Sir Alan Tanjusay, and si Digital Director Shalaine Lucero. With us, ang atong kauban sa local government unit of Lapu-Lapu City. And here, ako nag-acknowledge ang taga-media present. We have representative from DWSD, Sir Watch Anthony Lucero. We have from Star, Sir Mactan, Ms. Irish Modelo from UNTV, Sir Amber Campania from Sunstar, Genevieve B. Ocampo from Sunstar, and Sir Junior Arnon, Asaman IDYAR, Junex Nawayakan from DYLA, and Sir Hershey Mayor Jaspa from VIA. So, pwede na ka mag-start out of question.
Bago tayo magsimula sa Q&A, I would like to make a short statement, and I will also ask Regional Director Lucero to also make initial statement. In behalf of the DSWD and of course the Lapu-Lapu City local government units, we would like to thank the media for coming over. Ang ating isinagawang payout today at yung kahapon ay ito po ay bahagi ng usual na tulong na ginagawa ng DSWD sa ating mga kababayan. Lalo na yung mga kababayan natin na wala ng trabaho sa MEPZ. No? Nagsimula po ang lahat noong Biyernes at noong last week ay nagkaroon po ng city resolution ng LGU recognizing the gravity of the situation because more than 4,000 employees were retrenched out of work. So thank you for the Lapu-Lapu City LGU for coming out with the resolution. Ma'am, napadali po yung aming trabaho sa national at dito sa regional. Because of that resolution, it sets off a motion of structure process and of course yung ating tulong na ipinabot sa ating mga kababayan. Kaya naman po nandito ako sa Region 7 is because I was asked by the President and this DWSD Secretary Erwin Tulfo to come over and to help our Regional Director and our LGU to put up a process, to put up a structure, to put up a collaboration between DSWD, Lapu-Lapu City Government, Lapu-Lapu City Local Government Unit, at yung ating mga locators, of course, sa MEPZ. Kasama din sa collaboration and cooperation na pinutap namin last Sunday ay yung cooperation ng Sport City Incorporated, PESA, at of course, ang Department of Labor Employment. I-set up na natin itong proseso, struktura at tulong na kasalukuyan ginagawa natin ngayon ay at least we can safely say that we have accomplished successfully our mission to help our people, especially those workers, employees who are out of jobs, who were retrenched from their work. So that's all from my side, and I would like to turn over the floor to our Regional Director, Lucero.
Maraming salamat, President. Good morning, mga media partners. Maalimutan na itong tanan. On the side of the DSWD Region 7, immediately on September 29, when we heard about the news through the social media, we coordinated with the local government of Lapu-Lapu City asking about the situation, understanding kung unsa man ang nahitabo dinha sa Mactan Export Zone. So through them, they gave us an idea that they also learned it from the social media, and we're glad that concerned citizens as well bring it to our attention through the social media. And so the DSWD, with the guidance of our Undersecretary, organized a multi-stakeholders meeting last October 2. And as mentioned, dito po yung namo ang Sport City Incorporated, PESA, representatives coming from the office of Congressman Cindy Chan and Congressman Congressman Raymond Mendoza, and ang atong DSWD. The reason for that meeting is to organize our structure, and as designated by Undersecretary, I was tasked to be the lead coordinator of this joint efforts in relation to helping the retrenched workers. Aside from that, ang plano o discuss kung sa mga interventions na ihatag sa government, the local government unit, and maybe possible other support that we can get from Sport City, from PESA, and other companies as well. So, mauna ang katuyuan sa multi-stakeholders meeting because we wanted to ensure na ang atong pag-distribute sa assistance should be in an organized manner, should be orderly, and that no one is left behind. So, karon na witness na to, immediately at the DSWD with the LGU support, we started the distribution yesterday, and today is the second day of our distribution. So, daghang salamat.
May buntag sa tanan, no? September 26, 2022 was the last day of work of these 4,000 displaced workers. So when our mayor knew about the retrenchment, he immediately instructed our Public Employment Services Office head, si Sir Tim Francisco, to accommodate these the retrenched workers for possible job placements. So even before the resolution was approved by the City Council, there was already an instruction from the mayor to do something about the displaced workers. It was on the night of 26, 27, 29, that was Thursday, that the news really broke up in social media. So it was just timely that the following day, there was a special session of the City Council. So we knew that Mayor was leaving on that day for Korea, and also the rest of the four councilors was with him and our Congresswoman, si Chan. So I told him that night that, Mayor, we have to do something, maybe pass a resolution to profile and assess these 4,000 displaced workers so that we would know how many of them comes from Lapu-Lapu City and how many from the other NGOs. And request also the SWD Secretary Erwin Tulfo through the Regional Director of Shalaine, Lucero, to help assist the 4,000 workers. Kaya hindi man nato pwede yung 4,000 atong kayano, no, sa Lapu-Lapu because also of our limited resources. So, tinabangay. So, everything fell into place. Diha na resolution. Kunya, si Yusek Ana, ni Abot dayon. Pagkasabado dayon. So, tanan lang yun na husay. So, on behalf of our Mayor, Jonathan Chan, our Congresswoman, Cindy Chan, and all the city councilors, we would like to thank you. Grab the action agad sa DSWD. Thank you very much, Yusek, and also sa Acto Party, Ma'am Shalaine Lucero. And of course, our City Social Welfare Development Office, Jonathan kasi Jonathan Abalos, akong siya ni Jonathan Abalos, nag-grabe yun mo. Kuan dayon, facilitate tayo sa pagkuha sa food packs, danan, andang na yun. So, we started yesterday sa atong 155, out of 155 BI. Let me start. Out of the 4,000 French workers, 155 went to the PESO office to look for jobs. So, out of the 155, there were 80 of them who were from Lapu-Lapu. So, they were given immediately yesterday. Sila yung nauna, kasi sila may nauna ang profile. So, salamat tayo karon, nagpadayon ta sa katong the rest of the 4,000 na wala pa ng profile.
Okay, of course, we appreciate City Social Worker Department for really helping us for providing the venue and giving us additional staff, manpower to undertake such a huge number of retrenched workers. Thank you very much po sa Lapu-Lapu City, Office of the Mayor, sa Ma'am, at sa ating sa city social worker department. Thank you. And of course, I would like to thank our very own regional director, Director Lucero. Ma'am, napakagaling, napakabilis, at very effective po yung ating leadership dito sa particular undertaking na ito. And also, I would like to extend kahit hindi pa man tapos ang araw, I would like to extend my congratulations to all these DWD social workers and admin staff who really came here early today and yesterday para lang na-accommodate natin yung mga kababayan natin na wala ng trabaho. So talagang napakaganda po ng collaboration at cooperation ng bawat isa at maraming salamat sa cooperation. So with that, I would like to open the floor, ma'am, with your permission, to question from the members of the media for clarification. Thank you. Sino yung set?
Arnie, would like to know, aside sa 2,000, you were also given financial assistance. Kasi yung mga guidelines as to those who will be given, those who will kailangan iwan na yung mga guidelines sa guidelines.
Okay. So ang atong gigamit sa basihan sa paghatag sa financial assistance naa sa sitwasyon ng krisis. What ang taong trabaho, krisis yun na. And we understand that ang kaning mga retrenched workers under the law will also be covered to certain benefits. But we also know that napanin sila yung mga anak, kunya di pa takahibalo pa sa sila makakitag trabaho. So we're looking at the angle of crisis situations. So gigamit nato ang X or aid to individuals in crisis situation. Naghatag ng financial assistance to a maximum of 5,000 pesos. Aside from the financial assistance, naghatag ng food packs to ensure na ikaso o maglisod na sa pagkaunaan na dahil magamit ang pamilya. So muna immediate intervention sa DSWD. And the reason why we are profiling and assessing sa tanang mga na-retrenched because we want to look deeper. Aside na nawad ang trabaho, basig doon na pa sila ibang mga problema o sitwasyon sa kinabuhi. Kung diin makasulod si DSWD, ingon man ang ubang ahinsya sa gobyerno, even the local government. So the intervention would be not only sa retrenchment, but looking beyond. Kung mo man ay role sa DSWD, pag siguro na walay maglisod o naglisod, atong matabangan dahil.
So not everybody will be given financial assistance because we heard that one na receive 300,000 plus food packs lang.
Yes, that is right. No? Maunay tuyo sa assessment sa social worker. So katong medyo enough. And I think the reason nga nung mas dako yung nadawat, kay dugay na siya sa serbisyo kung naaman na under the computation under the law. So ang mga dako na og nadawat, nasa tanaw na mo, linya need ang financial assistance karon food packs atong gihatag. While we understand na naa na siya kwartang nadawat, but ang gobyerno sa ato nanghiingon, ang DSWD in particular, will have to ensure that they can feel the service and the care of the government and DSWD bukang India kay para namo bawat buhay ay mahalaga.
Yes, Director, would like to ask if today na mag-usog at mapaghatag ng financial assistance or until such all of the 4,000 will be profiled and be assessed?
Yeah, based sa atong schedule, hantod ra karong adlaw. Pero in any instance or case kung naay di makaanhi kay niuli na sa Bohol or tuwa na sa medyo laing probinsya, ang atong buhaton adto na to sila hatagan sa atong mga social welfare and development office nga naa sa Bohol, Negros or Sycamore. Should there be any instance na outside sila of Region 7, naaman may lista kung kinsa tanan ang na-retrench, then naaman tayo regional offices in other areas. We will collaborate with the regional director.
I would just like to add na maganda rin yung cooperation na ibinigay ng Sport City. Binigay nila sa amin yung listahan ng mga retrenched employees. Dahil doon, napabilis yung assessment, verification at examination ng ating DSWD. So at walang yung mga unwanted o yung mga individuals na hindi naman kasama doon sa retrenched workforce, naiwasan natin yung mga ganun scenario.
Secretary Alan, how much is the total budget for this distribution?
Yeah, if I may.
Okay.
So, base sa mga number of retrenched worker, ang DSWD nag-allocate ng tao about 21 million
Okay.
for the financial assistance and 2.3 million for the family food pack.
Okay. Sir Alan, in the past, it took several days after a calamity or incident in distributing cash assistance. Ngayon, parang mabilis yata. Paano ninyo ito ginagawa, Sir Alan?
Well, una may instruction si Pangulong Marcos sa DSWD na dapat wala talagang maiwan. So to do that, para walang maiwan, talagang mabilis ang pagkilos. Kasi kung medyo mabagal ka, talagang maraming maiiwan at maraming aalis. So yan yung aming work ethic, especially sa central office. Araw-araw po ay nasa labas si Secretary at 4 na activity, 5 activity sa isang araw. At may mga tawag pa siyang ginagawa doon sa kanyang mga Undersecretary at mga Assistant Secretary, sa mga regional directors. No? So talagang araw-araw kumikilos yung mga angels in red vests, ika nga. So yan yung aming prinsipyo sa kasalukuyang administrasyon na talagang dapat walang maiiwan. And to do that, you have to be quick, fast, and as much as possible, mas marami tayong matutulungan ng mga kababayan in crisis.
Yes, like I was told by the president, there are also other workers who came from other business management inlets not involved in manufacturing products. Who have also closed the company that they're working have closed also. And he is also asking or referring this to this WD, he could be included as well for the financial support and the family food packs na mabigyan din sila.
Before I allow our regional director to respond to that, let me say that we receive also the same information this morning and last night. May mga information na nakarating sa amin ganyan. So we have discussed this and I would like to allow our regional director to discuss further.
Yes, nakarating nga ang news na yan and as mentioned no, sa DSWD, importante ang kada kinabuhi. So the first thing that we will do is we will verify it with the MEPZ. Sila man ang dunay data kung kinsa ang mga companies na nag-retrench or nanirado. And we will have to get the names, the list of those that have been retrenched para verified na daan ang mga data. And if found na tinuod, the DSWD will assist. Kaya kung na-retrench sila, wala nagtitrabaho, wala pag-give benefits, the more that we will come in. So we will give the same assistance, pero ang amount mo differ sa assessment sa social worker. So just to cite a context, for example, ang usa, taon-taon na na-retrench, wala pag-give ng katrabaho, wala laing nanita sa pamilya, it might be a bigger amount, but still within the minimum standards of our aid to individuals in crisis situation.
May ano kayo mag-give? Ilan sila yung mga galing sa ibang industry?
Well, based on the one that was shared to us, around 116. But we will have to verify with MEPZ.
That is why, kung nabanggit ko kanina, napaka-importante ng listahan ng mga manggagawang iyon. So, we also need the cooperation of the employers on the locators, especially with MEPZ and DOLE. Para po magkaroon ng mabilis at maagap na saklolo, assistance sa ating mga kababayan, napaka-importante po ng cooperation and collaboration ng mga employers and business owners. So that kami dito sa DSWD, dito po sa LGU, sa Lapu-Lapu City Local Government Unit, ay makapaghanda kapag mayroon tayong listahan. At may iwasan natin yung mga hindi magagandang nangyari ng mga nakaraan na hindi natin na-manage ng gusto. But with the listing, mabe-verify po namin, makakontak po namin at i-inform namin sila kung saan sila pupunta. So napakahalaga ng cooperation and collaboration ng mga locators, ng MEPZ at ng DOLE with the DWD and the local government units, especially in Lapu-Lapu City.
So, mga customers, so we'd like to thank everyone, our friends in the media for coming over. And we would like to thank also our local government unit of Lapu-Lapu City for giving us this very good event